अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, क्या हाल चाल है। उम्मीद है सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम यू टू अनदर एक्साइटिंग व्लॉग। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ डिफरेंट थिंग विद नंबर्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद नंबर वन and with the help of number 1 I'm going to make a candle. Look at this. This is a candle. Number 2, this is number 2 and I'm going to make a swan with the help of number 2. Look at this, and we'll make water as well. Number 3, with the help of number 3 I'm going to make a flower. Look at this, it's a flower. Yes, beautiful flower. Number 4, now I'm going to write number 4, and with the help of number 4 I'm going to make a boat. Look at this, how easy it is to make a boat with number 4. With number 5 I'm going to make an apple. Number 6, glasses. Look at this. With number 7 I'm going to make a cone ice cream. Yes, I love to eat cone ice cream. With number 8, here I'm going to write number 8, and with number 8 a cute cat. Look at this, how easy to make a cat. With number 9 I'm going to make a parrot. Look at this, with number 9 I'm going to make a parrot. Number 10, with number 10 I'm going to make a kite. Yes. Now we are going to color it. Yes, we are going to color it. Look at this, how beautiful it is looking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.